First question is for $500 points. The longest river of India is. Options are A. Brahmaputra, B. Ganga, C. Son, C. Satluj. Arush, B. Arav, B. Okay, lock option B. Ganga. Ganga is the correct answer. Second question is for $1,000 points. Which one is not mammal? Options are A. Whale, B. Cow, C. Prawn, D. Bat. Arav, C. Arush, C. Okay, lock option C. Prawn. Prawn is the correct answer. Third question is for $2,000 points. Which animal is called prince of forest? Options are A. Leopard, B. Tiger, C. Lion, D. Jaguar. Arav, A. Arush, A. Lock option A. Leopard. The leopard is the correct answer. Fourth question is for $3,000 points. Crocodile is under which group? Options are A. Aves, B. Reptile, C. Mammal, D. Pisces. Arav, B. Lupita, B. Arush, lock option B. Reptile. Fifth question is for $5,000 points. Which one is carnivorous in the following? Options are A. Deer, B. Stumper, C. Cow, D. Cat. Arav, cat. Arush, D. Lock option D. Cat. Question is for $7,000 points. One lizard is under which group? Options are A. Reptile, B. Mammal, C. Aves, D. Amphibia. Arav, A. Arush, A. Lupita, A. Lock option A. Reptile. Correct answer. This question is for $10,000 points. Tiger is under which group? Options are reptile, B. Aves, B. Mammal, B. C. Mammal, D. Amphibia. Arav, C. C. Arush, C. Lock option C. Mammal. Mammal is the correct answer. This question is for $20,000 points. Which one is insectivorous in the following? Options are A. Deer, B. Frog, C. Tiger, D. Leopard. People is the following options are A. Nilgai, B. Sambar, C. Spotted deer, D. Deer. RFC. Option C. Spotted deer. Correct answer. Tenth question is for $50,000 points. Crocodile lays egg where? Options are A. Bank of river, B. land, C. water, D. none. Arab A. Arush A. Lupita A. Top option A. Bank of river. Bank of river is the correct answer. 11th question is for $100,000 points. Which animals spend most of the time in eating? Options are A. deer, B. tiger, C. elephant, D. none. Arab C. Arush C. Lupita C. Dog option C. Elephant. Elephant is the correct answer. 12th question is for $250,000 points. Which animal has social behavior? Options are A. leopard, B. tiger, C. elephant, D. none. Arab C. Arush C. Lock option C. Elephant. Elephant is the correct answer. 13th question is for $500,000 points. Which reptile lays largest egg in the following? Options are A. wall lizard, B. cobra, C. none, D. crocodile. Arush crocodile, D. Lupita D. Lock option D. Crocodile. Crocodile is the correct answer. 14th question is for $1 million points. Mother is called. Options are A. crocodile, B. deer, C. bird, D. none. Arush A, Arab A, Lupita A. Dog option A. crocodile. Crocodile is the correct answer. But it's time for lucky draw. Congratulations. Arush. Congratulations, Arush. Thank you. We will